Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Heartland Pioneer DS320. Now look, if you're looking for bang for your buck and you need room and space, those are two different things. Room to sleep 7 to 8 people, space enough to enjoy each other's company. This is a travel trailer I think you're really going to enjoy. What do you say we start right up here in the kitchen area? We got ourselves a campsite kitchen, L-shaped, 50/50 stainless steel deep well sinks with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet. The only thing I'd like to see is a sprayer handle, but since I do have dual sinks, I'm okay with that. Plenty of prep space over here. I got a large 3-burner cooktop that is recessed, flush mounted if that's what you want to call it, but I'm a fan of the grill style grates because that kind of helps you move the pots and pans around. Got a large oven there. Got my microwave and hood, and check out the frosted glass inlay in the shaker style cabinets we have here. Got a shelf in there, good spot for plates, good spot for cups right there. And yes, we do have storage underneath as well. Solid wood construction, ball bearing drives here. We got the graphite style fixtures, or matte black, whatever you want to call it. But take a look at the light on dark contrast. Residential, pleasing to the eye, good spot for the trash can down there. We got a 6 cubic foot fridge freezer combo that runs on both gas and electric, that does have the automatic switch. Good space for the weekend trips. Not a lot if you have a big family and you're going to pack a lot of stuff in. I'd say bring the cooler with you because you're going to need it. Before we get down to the bathroom, I want to check out the living room slide here. We got a super slide that houses our U-shaped dinette and leather jackknife sofa. When you're talking about reconnecting, disconnecting from all the stuff that's going on in daily life and just reconnecting with the loved ones, when was the last time you did that? When was the last time you got out and had fun? Fantastic spot to reconnect with the family. We got residential light fixture, wood valances, large windows all the way around, giving us natural light, great airflow. This reduces down to a sleeper. That reduces down to a sleeper. Once again, could sleep 7 to 8 people here. When you want to do some entertaining, you got your entertainment center here, large space for the TV, cable connection, power port, some storage up top, component shelf down here. We got the AM/FM control, Bluetooth, got a dual USB charging port right there, and kind of like a mini mudroom here if you want to use it as that, or component shelf storage down here, and space underneath there for when you come in. You got dirty shoes, boots, whatever, you can kick them off under there and not dirty up this residential slip resistant, easy to clean flooring with the heat ducts built into the floor. We got a 30,000 BTU furnace, a 13.5 BTU air conditioner. You're gonna do a good job keeping the climate where you want it, especially with that R7 insulation that we have all the way around this travel trailer. Before we get to the bunk room, I wanna show you the master. Queen size bed. I got nightstand space on both sides. I got charging power ports on both sides, windows on both sides, ward storage on both sides, and shelves up top just to give me some of that additional storage. But in case you did need more, underneath the bed, we got ourselves even more storage. And this room is shut off from the rest of the camper with the solid wood double pocket doors, which is really going to help keep the sound, at a minimum when you're talking about if you got the family, the kids are rowdy, you want to go to bed before they do. That's going to do a good job of keeping everything where it needs to be as far as sound. Got our slide controls, light controls, plus we got the Wine Guard Connect right there if you have that set up. If you want to check out, where you're at as far as batteries, power, water on the tanks, power controls right there, and more storage as soon as you walk in. So just additional storage for the kitchen area right here. Make our way down past the living area. Got more pantry storage right here if you need it. Good grab and go spot up top. So if you like to, hike, hunt, fish, and you got those, kavu bags, water bags, backpacks, whatever, tackle boxes, that's gonna be a good spot to grab and go. Wife will probably yell at you saying that's pantry space, but I mean, you're camping, go have fun. Bathroom is right here. We even brought a little paper airplane for you. Whee! So, neo-angle shower right here with a single surround glass door enclosures. Plus I have my nozzle and controls right there. Mirrored medicine cabinet right here. Got the raised lip on the bottom. That's going to help keep everything where you need it to stay. Got the single vanity sink right here. More storage underneath. Plastic bowl with the foot flush there. And the thing I like about the bunkhouse models is when the bunk area has its own access point. In this case, it's not in the bunk room, it's here in the bathroom, which you're going to find, you know, a lot on travel trailers that have bunk rooms. But having that when the master bedroom, you're ready to go to bed at night, but the kids aren't, they can come and go as they please. Maybe you're at the beach, you're at the lake, the mountains, whatever. They want to have fun, you want to go to bed. They got their own bathroom, come and go as they please. And then when it comes time for them to turn in, solid pocket door, once again, separating the bunk room from everything. Plenty of space. We have our own little storage / entertainment shelf here. So if you wanted to put a TV, you do have a cable connection and power port right there. Plus you have some shelving components down here. Good spot for the board games. Great spot for the shoes underneath this one. Shelves, the hideaway ladder for the kids who want to sleep. And I'm a fan of this bunk configuration. 300 pounds right here on this double bunk. We got a single bunk lining the back rear wall, and it even has like a little head notch under there. 200-pound max capacity on this bunk here in the slide, which also doubles as a, well, you can raise it up because this down here doubles as a mini entertainment area or lounging area, because those cushions not only fold out into a bed, but you can set them up in multiple configurations for if you want to have a chair, if you want to have a couch, and they have the cup holders right there in the cushions. Kids will have fun on that. My kids love those. We actually bought a separate pair of those so they could just have them in the living room at home. They love it. They're always roughhousing on that thing. But if you're a family and you need space, room, and comfort, and you don't want to break the bank, you want bang for your buck, 2020 Heartland Pioneer DS320. It's a great option to take a look at. We've seen the inside, so what do you say we go take a gander, RV and outdoors, at the outside? So here we are on the outside, the 2020 Heartland Pioneer DS320. We're going to start right up front. For the value that's in this travel trailer and the price point, I was surprised at some of the external features that we have. Power tongue jack with LED light. I don't care what travel trailer you get, having this option that I consider a must. Twin 20-pound LP tanks, diamond plated rock guard. We do have the aluminum exterior on this one, but I mentioned on the inside, we have that R7 foam insulation that's going to help keep the climate where you want it. Plastic latch for the pass-through storage, bright and airy plus finished off. Great spot if you have those premier rifle cases or good fishing rods. You don't want to have them banging around inside, or beach towels, beach chairs, just long, deep storage there. Enclosed underbelly on this camper and power leveling jacks, both in the front and the rear. Here's our power for that. Solid steps leading into the entry with the oversized grab handle that also doubles as a door guard when in transit. Got our low point drains right there. And if you wanted to set up some outside entertainment, you got a large awning with the LED light strip underneath, the dual zone speakers that are also backlit. Just gives it a, you know, pretty cool looking appearance when you're talking about nighttime entertaining. Sealed safety glass that's tinted all the way around this window too. Got our black tank flush here, city water connection there, power port and cable port. So let's say you want to set up a TV or, you know, like I always say, a boom box. I guess because I'm getting old. Dual axle on the Dexter Easy Lube axles here and 15-inch aluminum wheels. And if you notice, those Dexter Easy Lube axles, that space there is going to help when you're traveling down the road. That suspension is going to try to keep it from rocking back and forth on you. Bathroom entry point with a solid grab handle here, but I was blown away by the size of this exterior kitchen. I got the shaker style cabinet out here, giving me plenty of storage space, large sink, prep area, large dorm style fridge with more area here. Plus, I got two cabinets, solid wood construction, that light on dark, just like matching the interior on the ball bearing drives. And right beside my power leveling jack for the rear, I got a port for my LP Quick Connect. So if you go fishing or you use this as a hunting cabin, fishing cabin, whatever, beach, you have a great catch. Do all the prepping, store whatever you need to store in there, and I got my grill right here to do the cooking. That's going to be a fun outside experience. 4x4 sewer hose storage there, bike rack with the spare tire mounted. I got camera prep already on this unit and those arch ceilings, which are going to help keep the elements, the rain, the snow, off this camper. And those 3-inch nozzles on both sides are going to make sure that it doesn't fall on you or the slides. External shower here with hot and cold. Got my city water connection there. Got my 30-amp plug here. And the outside cable port right there. So when you set up at the campground, or if you have, you know, connection at the park or whatever, plug your cable in there. Bedroom slide for that bunk room. This is the one that had that single bunk over the 2 seats. And here we see our sewer outlet connection and our wastewater holding tanks, the dumps right down there. And then gray tank number 1 right there underneath the slide. So easily labeled, easy to get to, and easy to operate. Heartland did a good job with those. Other side of the pass-through storage right here. Once again, the plastic clip helping us keep the door open. But the most important part of any travel trailer is going to be the info panel. So you want to come check this out. So for example, this one here, gross vehicle weight, 9,000 pounds. That's where you talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors. Okay, what does that mean? Here's what my truck can tow. Is this the right camper for me? But if you're a family that's looking for that room space, you don't want to break the bank, but you want bang for your buck, come check out the 2020 Heartland Pioneer DS320. I think it'd be a good option for you. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. I didn't really have a lot of things I would change in there, but I'd love to hear from you. And as always, please like and subscribe too, and hit that little notification bell so when we do have a new video, you're the first one to see it. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. They're fun.